Lily, can you sing me the meatball song? Yeah. I'm not done. I just started recording. You guys sing this song, and then I'll stop, and then you can see it. I'll cover.
I love my poor
Mimi. Eli should pour what? Me.
If somebody needs an order.
You can sing it. It rolled off the
Table and onto the march.
floor, onto the floor,
Onto the floor.
and then
My poor ball. It rolled off the table.
what about the bush?
The bush. I'm done.
You done?
Okay. Now I can see a maple.
You want to see a meatball?
Okay.
You want to see the video of you singing? You want to see the video of you singing?
Okay.
Okay.